walang mangyayari ngayon. Bakit? Biglang nawala yung kakinanglamunan ko. Kaya magsisimula na ako. Okay. Fifth, remember that does not want us to worry because worry sure things our life. Hindi nyo alam yun, ha? Kaya pala maraming kang lumabang buhay kasi sa bawat araw tayo nababalita, may isang oras na wala sa buhay natin. Our life has been designed for 120 years. Itong later years natin yun. Nung una, 500 years.